The training, organized by the Office of the Prime Minister through Enterprise Uganda, targeted mostly groups and individuals who benefited from the Development Response to Displacement Impact Project Dr. DIP and other well-wishers, and brought in over 1,000 participants from across the district. Honorable Dr. Joyce Moreku Kaduchu, the State Minister for Primary Education, who also doubles as the Woman Member of Parliament Moyo during the closure of the 4-day skills training, urged the public to embrace the doctrine of healthy living in order to create wealth for themselves, and adds that they should emulate the parable of the mustard seed in the Bible.
When you are sick, you cannot make money. You need to be healthy in mind and body. You need physical health. So all in all, they are saying that we need also to embrace the doctrine of being physical healthy, for you to create more wealth.
Honorable Aleruto Maza, the Member of Parliament for West Moyo County, urged the public to desist from gender-based violence in their families, but rather work together with their spouse and create wealth for themselves, saying the cases of gender-based violence is on the increase in the district because many women have been empowered through the different government programs.
GBV, gender-based violence, because more often than not, you find, because now women are coming up to embrace development, to embrace government development programs, and really having money in their pockets, men have become jealous, and they always want to get this money away from these women and possess it.
Mr. Gore Goffin, the resident district commissioner Moyo, emphasized on the issue of poverty alleviation in homes, saying those who are poor should fight hard to ensure that their children don't inherit the poverty they are in, and implore the public to put the skills they have got into use.
My message to the people today is about how they can participate in fighting poverty, household income in their houses. Secondly, to make sure that if you have been poor, the children you give birth to, you should give them an environment where the poverty now should stop with you.
Mr. Ochichi Charles, the Executive Director, Enterprise Uganda, who was the main facilitator during the skills training, urged the participants to use whatever knowledge they have acquired from the training as a bridge to take them to the market and avail them the opportunity to be known to the world by selling things which can improve lives of people across the globe.
Whatever empowerment you have been given, use it as a bridge to get yourself to the marketplace. Use it as an opportunity to tell the world that you exist.
Mr. Waigo Patrick, a participant, said before the training he was unable to know the mistakes he has been making in his business, but now the training has opened his eyes to realize his mistakes and will be able to correct so as to advance his business further.
Very glad. When I was coming here, I don't know that I was making mistake in my business, but I learned the business I'm making in my business.
The Office of the Prime Minister (OPM) is working in partnership with Enterprise Uganda to impact business and financial literacy skills to the public, especially those who benefited under the Development Response to Displacement Impact Project Dr. DIP, which ended last financial year with the aim of equipping the members with the necessary skills needed to move on with their businesses even after the closure of the project, so as to improve on their household income in line with the government plan to alleviate poverty in the household levels. Dominic Anthony Okumu, West Nile TV, Nilecast.